Hello everyone, welcome to our project demo. Today we are excited to present our cloud-based smart healthcare appointment system called MediWalks Plus. MediWalks Plus is a serverless and intelligent platform that automatically monitors and manages patient appointments. When a patient books an appointment through our website, the system automatically assigns a doctor based on real-time availability. Anyone can log in as a patient through the patient login page. After filling in their details and clicking the sign up button, a verification mail is automatically sent to the user's email. This is handled by AWS SES, Simple Email Service, and the logic runs in the logic handler Lambda function on the backend. Once the user clicks the link in the email, their account is verified. Verified users are redirected to their patient dashboard where they can now book appointments. Now let's move further to book an appointment. In the dashboard, click on Book Appointment. You will be redirected to the booking page. On the right side, there is a demo video explaining the booking process. The patient enters personal details, the issue they are facing, and selects a preferred date and time. As soon as they book, a relevant doctor is automatically assigned based on their specialization and availability with round-robin method. Booking details are stored in DynamoDB and S3. A confirmation email is sent via AWS SES. An SMS is sent using AWS SNS. All this logic is handled by our appointment handler Lambda function. Only authorized doctors can access the doctor dashboard. They must log in using their registered email. For added security, a login alert email is sent to the doctor on every login. This credential verification is again handled by the login handler Lambda function. Once inside, the doctor's name is shown at the top left. They can only view appointments assigned specifically to them. They can also filter appointments by date. Appointment date is fetched from DynamoDB using getDoctorHandler Lambda function, and the display logic is handled via post method. All booking data and system records are backed up in Amazon S3. This is managed by S3 Backup Handler Lambda function. Now here is the quick summary of AWS services used in our backend. There are 4 AWS Lambda functions, which are Appointment Handler. This is to create a new appointment when a patient submits the form using round-robin method with availability check. Next, Login Handler, to authenticate users, either patients or doctors through their email. Next, getDoctorHandler. This retrieves all the appointments that belong to the doctor at that given time. Next, S3 Backup Handler. This is to regularly back up the critical data from DynamoDB to Amazon S3. Then DynamoDB for NoSQL data storage, S3 for backup and video storage, AWS SES for sending emails, AWS SNS for sending SMS notifications, API Gateway for managing HTTP routes, AWS CloudWatch for logging and monitoring. In conclusion, MediWalks Plus offers an end-to-end, automated, and secure healthcare appointment platform built entirely on AWS serverless architecture. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful.